Did you know that the global interior design industry is projected to reach $255.4 million by 2027, which shows that right now there's a huge demand for interior designers. So whether you're passionate about transforming spaces or looking to turn your creative skills into a profitable business, in today's video, I'll guide you through the critical first step that you need to take if you want to jump onto this huge opportunity and start making money from your interior design talents. I want you to grab a pen and paper, as this video is going to have a ton of actionable steps which you can do right away, and it will give you many quick wins that will give you the knowledge and confidence on how to take the first step into turning your passion of interior design into a money-making business and creating a solid foundation for you to get started. Now, we all know that a house built without solid foundations will not stand the test of time, right? And I don't want that for you or your business. I want you to be making a ton of money for years to come in something that you're really passionate about, which I'm guessing because you're here watching this, it's interior design, right? But before we start, I want to give you my free roadmap for success, which is a downloadable PDF and a step-by-step guide. This will literally walk you through the whole process of setting up your own interior design business right from the start and have you making money from your talents right now. Just click the link below the video and it's yours for free to have with you in your pocket or next to your laptop, and it will guide you through the whole process from start to finish. So, you ready? Have you got your pen and paper ready to make a ton of valuable notes? Let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do before anything else, which I promise will get you on the ladder to making money from your interior design talents, is to define your niche and target market. In other words, what specific area of interior design do you want to focus on? And who are your ideal customers? So the group of people that you'd most like to work with. But why is this important? Firstly, it will help you stand out from your competition. If you have a well-defined niche, so a defined area or specialization that you want to focus your work or services on, that you want to offer, you'll start to create a unique identity that differentiates you from all the other designers. This makes it much easier for you to stand out from all the competition, and it makes it much easier for potential clients to remember you and choose you over all of the others. By focusing on a specific area, you can become an expert in that niche, which will enhance your credibility and your reputation. Knowing your niche helps you attract clients who are specifically looking for the kind of design or services that you offer. This means you're more likely to work with people who value your expertise and your style. And when you understand your niche, you can tailor the market to reach the right people, saving you so much time and resources and increasing your chances of success. And as a specialist, you can often charge higher rates because clients perceive specialized services as more valuable and are willing to pay for expertise. And also, satisfied clients within your niche are more likely to become repeat customers and refer you to others, creating a steady stream of income. So you might be wondering, how do I define my niche? The first thing you need to do is think about your skills and your passions. So think about the areas of interior design that inspire you the most. Are you drawn to modern minimalism or high-end luxury interiors? Or maybe it's vibrant, eclectic styles. Pinpointing your interests will help you to stay motivated, as this particular area is an area which you're most passionate about and are drawn to, and will organically have a lot more knowledge in this area than an area which doesn't inspire you as much. Does that make sense? Let's take an example. When I first started out, I thought that luxury interiors was where the money was. That was the area that I thought I could really hit the big bucks. But after a while, I felt disillusioned. I wasn't really drawn to luxury interiors as a passion. I was only focusing on that area because at the time, I thought it was the area which would make most money. I'd also taken on some smaller projects where I was helping people who had small businesses and redesigning their space to get more customers through the door. Now, these were people whose lives were literally on the line, as their businesses that they'd worked so hard to build were failing. They needed a lifeline and they desperately needed help. When I redesigned their spaces on a budget and the customers started to come back through the door, they were so grateful that they could start earning a living again and put food on their families' tables. And the immense feeling of happiness that I got from this, from helping someone who desperately needed my help, made me realise that it wasn't the luxury high-end market that I wanted to work in. It was the small business owners who didn't have a big budget, the ones who needed help and guidance, the ones who were so grateful for my input. The next thing I want you to do is think about the experiences outside of professional projects that could inform your niche. For example, if you've redecorated your home or helped friends and family with their design projects, think about what parts of it that you really enjoyed and what you excelled at. And also think about any specific design challenges or problems that you're passionate about solving. So things like creating small space solutions or designing for small businesses who are struggling getting customers through the door, just like I did. Or maybe it's incorporating sustainable materials as a priority in your designs. And then look at developing a signature style that differentiates you from all the other designers. So this could be using a certain colour palette throughout your designs. Take Kelly Hoppen for example. She's the queen of neutral, and you can spot a Kelly Hoppen design from anywhere. Her signature style is something that her clients are willing to pay a premium for, and for good reason. Another really good example is Kelly Wurzler. Her signature style is so unique, using scale and texture and extreme splashes of colour. Now, you may be thinking, yeah, but they're famous interior designers and they're able to command a premium price. And yes, I totally get that. However, let's just remind ourselves that they both started from where you are right now. They both started at the beginning. And guess what? Kelly Hoppen doesn't have any formal training in interior design. She literally started with having a passion in interior design. And that's what I want you to think about. If you started taking action today, right now, imagine where you could be in 6 months from now, a year from now, or even 5 years from now. And the last step, now that you have your niche and preferred design style, is to define your ideal client. So imagine the characteristics of your ideal client, including demographics, age, maybe it's income, psychographics, lifestyle, values, interests, whatever it is. Think about who would benefit most from your unique style or approach to design, and then start engaging with people in your ideal client niche. So it could be taking part in online design communities. Maybe it's forums or social media groups to understand the preferences and needs of potential clients. Engage in conversations, whether this is online or offline, and start to gather design advice to get insights into what your ideal target audience really values. So to summarise, defining your niche sets the foundation for a really successful business by allowing you to stand out in a crowded market and attract the right clients who value your specific expertise. By specialising in a particular area, you can focus your skills and resources on delivering high quality work, which enhances your reputation and allows you to charge premium fees. Now, this targeted approach also makes your marketing more effective, making sure that you reach and resonate with your ideal audience. And working with a niche that aligns with your passions increases personal satisfaction and motivation, which will lead to greater creativity and freedom. I hope by now that you can see that having this solid foundation, this solid framework before you start will make for sustainable growth. It will make for profitability and long-term success in your interior design business. Now remember, if you haven't already, grab your free Roadmap for Success downloadable PDF step-by-step guide. This will literally walk you through the whole process of setting up your interior design business right from the start and have you making money from your talents right now. Just click the link below the video and it's yours for free. And if you've really enjoyed watching this video and found it really valuable, just click the like button and click the subscribe button so you'll get first dibs on all the free training which I'm going to be giving out in the next few weeks. Thanks for watching and thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I know your time is really precious, so I really appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day and I'll see you soon.